Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Concern is growing over the mysterious disappearance of an ex-police officer in Clarendon who has been missing since last Wednesday. Now, investigators intensified their search earlier today, making a disturbing discovery at his home that is raising serious questions about what may have happened. Yannick Williams has more.
The search for ex-police officer Sylvester Reed of Evans Heights, Clarendon, took a troubling turn Monday morning when law enforcement personnel carried out an operation at his residence. Officers accompanied by dogs from the K9 unit combed the premises in hopes of uncovering clues. During that search, investigators reportedly discovered traces of blood inside the house, a finding that has heightened fears for the officer's safety. His mother said she last heard from him on Tuesday, and efforts to contact him since then have been unsuccessful.
When he was at church Sunday, he take us home. Call us about 12 o'clock, and he was there talking and laughing until him leave. I called him Monday morning and I said to him, say, Sylvester, text him. And I said to him, say, Sylvester, my soul is blessed. And he said to me, okay. I think he said, amen, right. And I text him back through the evening and I said to him, say, remember Jordan lunch money? And him said, okay. That was the last conversation I had with him.
Ms. Reed says on Wednesday morning she tried calling her son, as is their routine, but got no answer. She adds that disappearing without making contact with his loved ones is out of character for him.
If you call him this morning and he see him up the calling, as him wake up or anywhere, he's calling back. You know, it's not pretty. It's not Sylvester that. I am appealing. If anybody knows whereabouts, could contact the nearest police station.
Forensic teams also visited the scene as part of the investigation. Authorities have not yet confirmed whether foul play is suspected, but the presence of blood has significantly heightened the urgency of their probe. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.